how to make admin commands in Roblox Studio. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our game. And then once you are now on your game, the next thing that we need to do right here is to look for the toolbox, which is normally located on the left screen. So here it is on the search bar. So click the creator store right there. And then on the search bar, just search for admin and then click enter. After that, you will see this HD admin. So what we're going to do is to click on that. And then after that, click OK. As you can see, this is what it looks like once you added it right here on the Explorer. So you will see the HD admin. So what we're going to do next is to just double click on the settings. And then in this part, you will see this ranks. So we have here the owner, head admin, admin, mod, VIP, and non-admin. So if you, let's say for example that you want to add someone as your head admin on the game, then what we're going to do right here is to go here between the quotation marks. And then what we're going to do is to paste the username of the user. So to do that, let's go here on our Roblox part. So let's say for example that this is the account that you want to add. So make sure that you are adding the username, not the display name of the user. So we're going here back on the Roblox Studio, and then we're going to paste it right here. After that, once it is here, let's put this back right there. And then once it is done, what we're going to do is to test it by clicking the play button right here on the upper left corner of the screen. Once you're now here, all you have to do is to wait for a little bit, and then the admin commands will pop up right here. As you can see, here it is. So what we're going to do is to, of course, just click it so that we can test it. So we now have here the dashboard for the commands, the moderation, the revenue, the settings, and so on. So let's say, for example, that we would like to use this. So as you can see, we now have here the admin commands for the game. So that is basically it. That is how to make admin commands in Roblox Studio.